Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. My previous video I had explained about analytical chemistry and exercise question according to board I had explained. Now I am going to start your new chapter compounds. In compounds chapter 7th A I have written you have to study about the lab preparation of hydrogen chloride gas, hydrochloric acid, ammonia gas, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Means this chapter itself 4 chapter. Means in board minimum 24 mark question coming from that. Why I am going to explain this chapter? Because I had explained acid, base and salt. In that you have studied different type of the reaction. In this chapter only you have studied about the chemical reaction and physical and chemical property of the compound, whatever you are going to be studying. Now in compounds chapter in 7th A, first compound is hydrogen chloride gas. Remember that I am saying hydrogen chloride gas, not hydrochloric acid. Remember that hydrogen chloride gas, not about hydrochloric acid. The first question is that how you will prepare hydrogen chloride gas. See that before in 1648 century, Glover prepared this hydrogen chloride gas with the help of rock salt along with concentrated sulfuric acid. Rock salt along with concentrated sulfuric acid. See that sodium sulfate and hydrogen chloride gas. But he don't know the name of this gas, so he said that is muriatic acid. In 1772, I am not written here 1772, because you know that 1776 Joseph Priestley prepares a first lightest element, that is the hydrogen in the laboratory. Hydrogen. Joseph Priestley first he prepared in 1776 hydrogen gas. Joseph Priestley in 1772 he named this gas myrene acid. Remember that Joseph Priestley in 1772 named this gas is myrene acid. Afterward, Lavoisier, he is the father of modern chemistry. He said the name of this gas is muriatic acid. Muriatic acid. Hydrogen chloride gas. The name told by Lavoisier, the father of modern chemistry, muriatic acid. But 1810, Dewey studied the composition of this gas and named this gas is hydrogen chloride gas. So who prepared first hydrogen chloride gas? Glover in 1648 and said this is a myrene acid. Afterward, Joseph Priestley also prepared this gas and said myrene acid. But Lavoisier, the father of modern chemistry, says that he is the muriatic acid. But in 1810, Dewey studied the composition of this gas and said this is a compound of hydrogen and chlorine. So the name of this gas is hydrogen chloride gas. Okay. Now just little introduction about this. Now see that molecular weight of this gas. Molecular weight. This gas. See that HCl means hydrogen plus chlorine. You know the atomic weight of this 1 and chlorine 35.5 means that is 36.5 AMU, atomic mass unit, the molecular weight of this gas. Now formation, see that the electronegativity difference of hydrogen and chlorine are not negligible. It's having some electronegativity difference. So this gas known as polar covalent compound. In polar covalent compound, hydrogen having only one element, chlorine 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By mutual sharing of the electrons, then it's form HCl. Means hydrogen having slightly positive charge and chlorine having slightly negative charge. Due to difference in electronegativity, hydrogen chloride is a polar covalent compound. What I say? Difference due to difference in electronegativity, hydrogen chloride is a polar covalent compound. This is molecular weight. This is a formation. That is electron diagram. This is a structural formula of hydrogen chloride. Next, how would you prepare hydrogen chloride gas? General method for preparation. General method for preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. General method of preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. Remember that first one, by direct combination of hydrogen with chlorine. You know that hydrogen is colorless, odorless, tasteless gas, whereas chlorine is green yellowish green color gas. When it's combined in direct sunlight, it's form hydrogen chloride gas. But this reaction is explosive, highly explosive. You can't say only explosive. This reaction is highly explosive. Then how can we prepare? We can prepare hydrogen chloride gas in diffuse sunlight. It's give hydrogen chloride gas. In your book given only the preparation of hydrogen chloride gas in diffuse sunlight. It is a possible. Remember that the question I am going to repeat. It is a possible that we can prepare hydrogen chloride gas in direct sunlight. In your book it is not given. But this is my question. It is a possible that we prepare hydrogen chloride gas in dark. Yes, it is a possible hydrogen and chlorine in dark. It is possible when activated charcoal used as a catalyst. Activated charcoal used as a catalyst, then it's form hydrogen chloride gas. What is activated charcoal? Activated charcoal prepared by heating wood charcoal in absence of air at a high temperature, then it's form activated charcoal. So, my dear student, only I am going to start this chapter, compounds. Only introduction I have given. Once you read this chapter, afterward, if you see my video, that each and every term will be clear. The first, because you have no idea that which chapter sir is going to be start, because in PDF, Anwar sir has given the work and he explained about this chapter. So, only I have given short introduction about hydrogen chloride gas. Once you read this chapter, then it will be clear in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.